Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching how you guys can activate your Citibank's credit card. Alright, it's pretty simple, so just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys, and let's move on. And yeah, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step as well. Now let's move on. First step, you want to search for Citibank card activation. After you search for Citibank card activation, click on the second option where it says activate your card Citibank online. It's going to take you to the official website of Citibank, where you can activate your card. And once you're over here on this page where it says card number, enter a card number over here, the 16-digit number which is going to be on the front face of the card. Once you click on continue, on the next step it's going to ask for your card's expiration date. After you enter your card's expiration date, after that it's going to ask for your card's PIN. After that it's going to ask for your card CVV number. And after you provide all the information it asks you, and make sure you provide the correct information, your credit card of Citibank will be activated. So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.